Hi, this is Dog Coach Francis, and in today's episode, we're going to be teaching you how to potty train your dog. So you just got a puppy. You have everything set. Hope you have done your research and asked Google on what to do next. Sinubukan mo hanapin pero hindi klaro anong gagawin. Nahihirapan ka na. Maybe you have experienced raising a puppy and also have experienced potty training your other dogs. But you're having difficulty with this just one particular puppy. What are you going to do? You're pulling your hair out at inaaway ka na ng asawa mo. Nanay, tatay, kuya, si ate, o kaya naman baka gusto na mag-resign ni Yaya. Or maybe you have not done the research because you are too darn lazy.
Stop it. Get some help.
Or baka naman minamalas ka lang. Well, consider yourself winning the jackpot because you just found this video. Siyempre, hindi lahat ng puppy pare-pareho. At iba-iba din ang kalagayan natin sa buhay. Kaya kayo nang bahalang mag-modify. Are you ready? Because if you are, let's go puppy! Ang problema ng potty training o pagdudumi ng aso sa maling lugar ay isa sa pinakamadaling pag-aralan. Pero isa sa pinakamahirap ituro. Potty training is about developing habits. If your puppy dog has been allowed to eliminate in the wrong place, well, you have to break that habit. House oiling or potty issues quickly becomes a bad habit because dogs develop strong preferences for their improvised indoor toilet areas. Sa madaling salita, nasasanay sila sa lugar base sa klase ng lupa, sahig, amoy, at kung ano pa kung saan ang toilet nila. To potty train, first, prevent any more mistake. And second, teach your puppy dog where you would like them to eliminate. Ganun lang kasimple. Oras na masimulan na at masanay na sa maling lugar magpati ang aso, ito ay nagiging bad habit. Oh, bakit ka nagpupo at umihi na naman, hay? Ang dumi-dumi na naman. Kailangan mo na maligo, kailangan mo na maglinis. Tandaan, hindi nila alam how to speak human languages. Hindi nila alam ang Filipino, English, Chinese, at kung ano-ano pa. It is your responsibility to teach your dog. Consequently, you must prevent mistakes at all costs. Whenever you are not at home, leave your dog in a long-term confinement area, such as a single room indoors with easy-to-clean floors, maybe a bathroom or sa bandang kitchen, or maybe a spare room, and then huwag niyong kakalimutan, dapat meron silang air conditioning or fan. Bigyan mo ang puppy mo ng fresh water at ilang chew toys para maaliw sila. Isang higaan sa gilid at toilet sa kabilang sulok. Kabaliktaran ng tulugan. Wild wolves are known to eliminate as far away from their den. Our dogs have inherited this habit in their DNA. Ang mga aso, kung hahayaan lang ang mga aso, kung hahayaan lang sa labas, ay natural na magpapati malayo sa kanilang tulugan. they will then soon develop the good habit of using their toilet. Remember that bad habits are hard to break. Good habits are just as hard to break as bad habits. Whenever you are at home, keep your puppy closely confined to a dog crate. Pwede din hawak-hawak yung leash nila at nakatali sila sa inyo, o kaya naman tatali nyo sa upuan, o kaya naman sa desk. According to Dr. Ian Dunbar, one of the leading dog behaviors in the industry, and I personally look up to, the purpose of long-term confinement is to confine your dog's natural behaviors, including urinating and defecating, to an area that is protected, thus preventing any mistakes around the house when you are not there, and to help your dog quickly develop a strong preference for eliminating on soil, grass, or concrete, or even their pee pad. But coach, I don't want my dog in a crate. Nako, ang daming beses ko na narinig yan. Kesyo ganito, kasi ganito. Look, you have to use a crate para hindi siya kung saan iihi. You can find them in a place na hindi siya iihi kung walang associated behavior doon. Now, every hour on the hour, you're going to take your dog out and you're gonna say, let's go pee, or let's go poo, or kung ano man gusto nyo na command. And you just have to really hurry up to her designated toilet. Give your dog 3 minutes to empty themselves. When your dog eliminates, you need to make sure na ipipraise nyo sila or bigyan nyo ng treats. You need to make sure na parang, hey, it's a jackpot moment. Karamihan sa puppies, if done right, will urinate within 2 minutes and poo maybe within 3 minutes on every other trip. Kapag napansin ng mga puppy na meron reward tuwing magwiwiwi sila sa tamang lugar, mas gugustuhin niya na magwiwi sa designated area. Again, pwede magkamali ang puppy. Pero tuwing nagkakamali ang puppy, tayo ang nagkulang kasi hindi natin nabantayan ang aso. Moreover, after a dozen or so repetitions, you will have taught your dog to eliminate on command. Kapag hindi siya nagwiwi, ibalik sa crate at subukan ulit after mga 20 to 30 minutes. Kapag masipag ka na pet parent at susundin mo ang mga tips na nabigay ko, mahuhulaan mo kung kailan ang potty trip ng aso mo. In our experience, we take the puppy in training every 1 hour, maximum 2 hours outside their crate. Dogs confined too long will be forced to soil in their crates, making it difficult to house train the puppy. Kapag mas malaki na ang puppy at pwede na kayong mag-walk sa labas ng bahay, subukan nyo pawiwiin muna bago kayo maglakad o kaya naman bago kayo sumakay ng kotse. So there, some of the tips on how to potty train your dog. So comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification icon. If you have any questions, comment lang. We do read them and we do upload regularly. So next time, bye.